Good morning everyone, my name is Soma and I'm grade 7. Today I'm going to talking about solar and lunar eclipses. What's an eclipse? What's an solar eclipse? Anything like passing in front of the sun or block its light, it's gonna be Earth or the moon. What's an eclipse? Solar eclipse. When the moon casts the shadow, the moon goes dark. Earth comes between the sun and the moon, so it's full moon. Solar eclipses, when the moon casts a shadow, so the moon goes dark. The moon comes between the sun and the earth. Umbra, the dark inter portion on the shadow cone. Like this is umbra, and it's like in this, it's dark. Penumbra, the light outer portion of the shadow. Types of solar eclipses. In this, this shows the stages, like it's the full eclipses, like the beginning until the end. Lunar eclipses. The diagram shows that the moon is covered by the Earth's shadow, which makes this eclipse safe to look at. Notice that the moon sometimes turns red when totally occur. Like when the moon turns to red, you can look at it, and this is the stages how it happens. Lunar eclipses don't happen like every month because the moon is orbit, so we can see once or twice in our life. And thank you for listening to me.
Hello everybody. This PowerPoint is made by Nima and Yarsan, and it's about chess.
Why is chess mentally good for you? Chess is one of the most popular games in the world. It can be played by lots of people, and we use it to play, to see who's better.
Why was chess made? Chess was made for battle and war, and it was made of battle war because they didn't have devices and other stuff long ago. So they used the chessboard to make. They used chess to make plans and evil plans for their battles.
The king. Do you know that a king is a worthless piece, but it's actually the most important piece on the board? Because it can only get checked and mated, but when it gets mated, there you lose. And if you get to checkmate the opponent's king first, you are the winner. And also the king can swap the places with the rooks. It's called castling. There are two types of castling: a short king side castling and long queen side castling.
Pawn. Pawn is also a good piece because when it reaches the other side of the board, it can become into any other piece except the king.
صلاح هوران داين تنباش أمر ده سفاستان ده كم بو أوي أعماد بون لسميناري بلان تيرجيان ده یەکەمیان بە چێرۆکێک دەست پێ دەکەین کاتێک فڕۆکەیەک بەرەو هەر شارێک دەچێت بە گوێرەی پلانێکی بە پلانێکی پێشوەختە خشتێکی دیاریکراو بۆ بەرزبوونەوەی گەشتەکەی دەست پێ دەکات و تەنانەت لە کاتی نیشتنەوەشی هەمیشە بە ڕێژەی 95 لە کاتی دیاریکراو دەگاتە شوێنی مەبەست. بۆیە مرۆڤ دەبێت پلانی پێشوەختەی هەبێت بۆ گەیشتن بە ئامانجەکانی. ئایا دەکرێت خەون و ئامانجێک بەدەست بێنیت و هەوڵ بۆی نەدابێت؟ نەخێر ناکرێت. بۆچی لەوێ ناکرێت ئامانج خەون و ئامانجێک بەدەست بێنیت بەبێ ئەوەی هەڵی بۆ بدەیت. بەبێ ئەوەی هەڵی بۆ بدەیت و بەبێ پێشتر لە خەیاڵدا نەبێت و مێشکتی پێوە سەرقاڵ نەکردبێت. هەمیشە خەونی گەورەت بۆ خۆ دابنێ تا لە کۆتاییدا بگەیت بە ئامانجە گەورەکانت. سپاس بۆ گوێبیستنتان.